Yebare woriyo natureba hano ya Tayari West Television exercise yo kurukurutinga aba UPDF eriyo negenda omumisho mwenu nitwendaganiraho na team leader wa team eriyo ne recruiting habwa Midwestern region wekitinisa brigade ya Kitwara okushobora sofa ahiba ikana nahibarabire hona exercise eriyo negendeta
brigade ya General Rogers dikusoka Kitwara. I'm the team leader, team 5, that is concerned in the ongoing recruitment in Midwestern Uganda. The purpose of this briefing today is to show the public what we are generally doing. The process so far, this exercise has been continuously going on smoothly, peacefully, transparently, and in accordance with the UPDF recruitment guidelines. All stages are being followed in the presence of our local leaders, our security partners, that is the DSO, the police, and the general public, to ensure that there is transparency. From wherever we have been, we have not had many challenges, but we have some challenges that we maybe can inform our public here in Kagadi. Number one is the documents which are not complete. You find that some of our people come when their documents from LOC 1 to those applications have not been fully endorsed by our local leaders. But we are always advising them to look for those who are missing, because we don't want to make them lose the opportunity. Also, we have a challenge of overage. Some people managed to appear on the short list, but when they are really overage. So that one is also another challenge that we follow, that we are getting. We have some issues of our youth who, during their time as youth, they have adopted many other things that maybe made them happy, like tattoos, like those funny things on their body. They marked their body. And for us here, we don't want a marked body. We want a clean body. So those are some of the challenges we see. We have also those with some chronic diseases. We have those who are pregnant, but they appear here. So those are some of the challenges, medical challenges that we have gone through. And also we have those who have tried to tempt us with money. We have some bribery, then there is also extortion, and we are dealing with them as they come. So let me take this opportunity to inform the general public that joining UPDF is free. Nobody should ask anything from you. And in case you are asked anything, just do us a favor and inform us. Joining UPDF is not through money. To join UPDF, you must be a Ugandan. You must have a national ID. You must be a person of good discipline. The things that they put in that advert when they were asking you to apply, those are the only things that you are required to have fulfilled to join UPDF. We call upon those youth who are still there, the eligible ones, please come. And when you are coming, you make sure you come with good papers. Don't come again with also forged papers. Come with good papers, not forged papers. The UPDF appreciates the RDC of Kagadi and the district leadership and the people of Kagadi. One, for receiving us, and for helping us to establish our recruitment center, and also the parents for allowing their children to come and join UPDF. We remain committed to recruiting disciplined, healthy, and patriotic Ugandans to join the mighty UPDF. If there is any question, you can ask.
So what message do you have for those who did not make it and they would want to join the force maybe in the future?
If you didn't make it to the short list, this is not the end of everything. As long as you are within the requirements of UPDF, you will join any time. But also, you can, as well as you wait for another recruitment, go and get skills. Look at the requirements of UPDF of today. Take advantage of the knowledge which is now outside there and get yourself inside those skills that UPDF requires so that next time you don't miss.
Another thing, how are you handling those ones with forged documents and the ones trying to bribe the officers?
If we come with a forged document, we have our sister force, that is the police. Anybody that we think has a forged document or wants to bribe, we hand it to police. Then police, they know how to handle those people. Those who will be successful will go to Uganda, to UPDF training schools. And all of us in Kagadi and elsewhere, we should just wish them the best during the training season.
Okay. Yebare mnonga iworiyo natureba Tayari West television kandi twantuganiraho na brigade ya Kitwara ogunwayi bembire team eriyo ne recruiting UPDF ahabwa Midwestern region yanaterera muto cyari kutishoborera okwe exercise eriyo netambura nyondo nesima studiabwe kandi tugiya Tayari West television yebare kutwegitaho hona ho kuturebera tukunda mnonga.